Já na chamada do adulto e para bambino.
Andiamo in acqua.
È la prima volta che vai con Vallevola Blu, ora che ci penso. Papi, attenta che vai con stacco già correndo.
Hello guys, good morning, or is it afternoon? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Thank you so much. So we brought the kids to Bole Blue, okay, before the summer runs out. So guys, we brought the kids to Bole Blue, and Bole Blue is a water park in Piemonte. It is a beautiful park to take the kids during summer when the weather is very hot. You guys know how some days can be hot during summer. So it's a great place to take the kids to go have fun. You know, kids love places like this. So we actually brought the kids here to have fun. You can see the pool is not that deep. They have the kids section and they also have the adult section. We always come to this park every year. Sometimes we come 2 or 3 times, but this year this is the only time we could bring the kids, so it was great. Okay, so we are just going to chill here for some hours before going back home. It was really hot. It was one of those hot days of summer. Okay, so where else can you be if not where you can just, you know, dip yourself inside the water and just, you know, refresh yourself. So the kids were just having fun. Guys, it was not a great day for me because it was that time of the month for me, if you get what I mean. So I could not get inside the water, but it was all fine. I was just there watching them. And so the kids had so much fun, and Hobby sometimes went inside the water with them, but I could not go inside. I don't know how you guys do it, but when I'm in that time of the month, it is really very, very difficult for me. Hello guys.
Io guys.
My name is Michael.
Maggio.
Bravo amore. Oh, you're so cute. So guys, normally when we are going to places like this, I love to prepare lunch from home and just take along, okay, because they have the canopies and they have the umbrellas. Okay, you can choose where you want to stay with your family. If you have a big family, you can just stay under the canopy. They have different canopies where you can just settle and, you know, have your lunch. But this day, because I was not in the mood, I could not make anything from home, so we came over to the bar. They have a bar inside the water park. We came to the bar to order something to eat for lunch. Okay, so we are just here having lunch, after which we allowed the kids to stay out of the water to digest their food before going back inside the water. Guys, this is very important. I know a lot of people knows this already, but please and please, when you take your kids to places like this, if they eat, don't allow them to go inside the water immediately. The kids needs to digest their food before going back inside the water. Okay, so what we did was, when the kids were done eating, we took them to a park. There is another park inside this park. It's just a playing ground for the kids, so they can stay out of the water. We took them there. They played for some minutes and we allowed them to digest fully before allowing them to get back inside the water. So you can see them there having fun. It was just a perfect day for the kids. Okay, you know, kids love places like this. Oh my god, they were so happy and excited that they wanted to actually come back the next day. I said, why not? Guys, we are done at the park. We are just on our way back home. Thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate every one of you for watching. I hope you guys had a great summer. Our summer was amazing. Yes, thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate you. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please do not forget to help me share the video out. So guys, this is few days later. We went to watch the fireworks. It was pretty late. By this time normally the kids are in bed, but because of the fireworks, okay, we just allowed them for this one. Please keep on watching. It was so breathtaking. It was mind-blowing. The kids loved it. We all loved it. It was so much fun. Hey Linda.
Hey.
Say hello to the guys, please.
Hello guys.
Thank you. No, stai con papà. Something like that.
Non hanno fatto parcheggiare qua.
Cosa?
Non hanno fatto parcheggiare qua.
È in diretta.
Non è vero, scherzo. What is you reading? Why is you reading?
Un pipistrello.
Dov'è?
Un pipistrello.
Hello guys, good evening. How you guys doing? So we are here to see the fireworks. Don't come here.
No.
There is a bat flying above us here. So we are here to see the fireworks. I don't know exactly what they are celebrating, but it is church something, church doings, okay, church things. Okay, so we are just gonna wait here. It's starting by 10 p.m. and so it is, what's the time now? The time is it is 21:54 p.m. It's almost time. It's remaining just 6 minutes. We are just going to wait and then see the beauty. Cosa?
Forse il pipistrello vuole farci cadere un po' con l'artificio addosso.
I know. Got it. Yeah, see you guys later. Bye. Hey Mikey.
È adorabile.
Oh, Michael ha qualcosa di bagnato sulla scarpa. Hey Mikey.
Voglio sono andati puzzando.
Hey Mikey. Guarda su.
Continuando a tirare intorno sto pipistrello.
Michael is feeling sleepy. I just hope he doesn't sleep because the firework is going to wake him up if he sleeps. Michael, please stay awake, okay? So you can see the beauty. You can see the beautiful fireworks. What do you think? Quando senti il primo fuoco spari, cioè...
Attento, Michael, dà la botta.
Era boom! It's about to start. Michael is feeling sleepy. I feel so sorry for him. It's about to start. It's about to start. Vuoi andare da papà?
Ora fanno i fuochi, Michael.
Non lo so.
Vedrai Michael come si sveglia.
Sono quasi finite le campane.
È finito.
1.
2.
Va.
Non ce la fa.
Fuochi.
Quello finale. Di sicuro si pipistrello se ne va.
Wow.
C'è una gran finale. Vai.
E questo
Okay, there were lots of people around. We just stayed in this corner and watched. Okay, so thank you guys so much. I appreciate you all so much. You all that keep coming to watch my videos. I cannot appreciate you guys enough. Thank you guys so much. Shankara. Whoa.
Finito, ragazzi.
Sorry guys, this video is getting really long. Okay, I just wanted to compile the summer vlogs, okay, because summer is over. I just wanted to put some vlogs together and just make a video. So guys, this is many days later. We came to the river with the whole family, so we are going to be having barbecue at the river side, and we are just going to be having fun, relaxing. This is how we actually spent our summer. Most of the time we are always at the river, especially during the weekends when hubby is around. So it was a summer afternoon. It was actually a very hot afternoon as well. So this is practically how most of our weekends were. Okay, we'll go to the river, we just have lunch there and just chill, because the weather at some point this summer was really very hot. So this day we actually took some meat to the river to make barbecue, and it was awesome. We had barbecue at the river, by the river side. It was really great. We forgot salt. There was no salt in the meat, but it was good anyways. So we had fun. We relaxed. The kids had fun inside the water. You guys know how much I feel about water sound. I love it so much. It is so dear to my heart. Water makes me feel so relaxed. Okay guys, I love the sound of water. I know a lot of people do too, but I'm just in love. I cannot overemphasize how much good water sound does to me, does to my body, or does to my mental health. It just makes me relax so easily. And when I'm having difficulty sleeping, all I need to do is just listen to water sound and I will sleep like a baby. It does that magic to me. So it is awesome. It was just so relaxing and so calming, and the place was so serene. So guys, I'm just going to leave it here. I'm just going to allow you guys enjoy the water sound. You guys, please enjoy this, okay? I hope you actually do enjoy this water sound, and see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Bye.